In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your firm details in QuickBooks Accountant using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to update, so your firm name, contact information, and address appear correctly across your practice. This process is quick, but a few small choices, like which email you use, can save you headaches later, so I'll point out tips along the way. First, sign into your QuickBooks Accountant account. Use the credentials for the account that manages your practice. For most firms, the primary admin has the permission needed to change firm details. If you sign in and don't see options to edit, check with your firm's admin to confirm your role. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Under the section labeled Your Practice, click Team. This is your central place for managing users, roles, and firm-level settings in the current desktop interface. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the Your Practice area clearly. On the Team page, locate the primary admin listed and click that name. Opening the primary admin profile is the direct path to your firm's profile settings, which control what clients and team members may see in communications and documents. Next, click Edit Profile. This brings up the fields you'll want to review and update. You'll see your firm name, email address, phone number, and business address. Enter or update each one carefully. Your firm name should match how you want it displayed on invoices, reports, and client correspondence. For the email, consider using a shared or role-based inbox that your team monitors instead of a personal address, so important messages aren't missed. For the phone number, use a main line that's staffed during business hours and format it consistently. For the business address, enter the full legal address, including suite or unit numbers, so mailing labels and tax-related forms align correctly. Double-check spelling and capitalization. Consistency here helps your brand look polished. When everything looks good, click Save. Look for a success message or a visual confirmation that the changes have been applied. If the Save button is grayed out, make sure all required fields are complete and valid. If your updates don't appear right away elsewhere, refresh the page or sign out and back in to prompt a sync. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, navigated to team under your practice, opened the primary admin profile, edited your firm details, and saved your changes. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.